Hi.
Hi.
What is your name?
Psychiant.
See here.
Huh?
In which class you are studying?
LKG.
What is your school name?
Public school.
What is your teacher name?
Why should you need teacher?
What you are writing?
Huh?
What you are writing?
Amma. Aau. Ilu. Ilu. Eagle.
Kiyansh, how many vowels are there?
5.
What are they?
A. E.
Itu.
I. O. U.
Wow, good. Kiyansh, how many days are there in a week?
7 days.
What are they?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Good. Kiyansh, how many months are there in a year?
Year,
12 months.
12 months.
What are they?
Huh?
What are they?
January, February, March, April, May,